Now we'll see that one more. Calculate the electricity required. Calculate the electricity required to reduce 12.3 grams of nitrobenzene to aniline. 25% current efficiency. Now you'll see that. So nitrobenzene to aniline. So here 6 moles of hydrogen means 6 electrons. That gives us aniline with 2 moles of water molecule. So by this what we can understand here, 6 moles of 6 Faraday, 6 electrons, we can say 6 Faraday of electrons required to convert 1 mole of nitrobenzene to 1 mole of aniline. Yes or no? 6 moles of electrons, so 6 Faradays are required to convert 1 mole of nitrobenzene to aniline. Yes or no? So 6 moles means electrons means 6 Faradays. Yes or no? This is very important to find out. So this is a weight. Now next, nitrobenzene to aniline. How many grams? 12.3 grams. So weight of the nitrobenzene, actual molecular weight 123 grams. So 1 mole 123 grams. Yes or no? So number of moles, how much? Number of moles is equal to weight, that is 12.3 by 123, that is 0.1 mole. Yes or no? So 1 mole 123 grams requires 6 Faradays. Yes or no? So 1 mole requires 6 Faradays. Now 0.1, how many mole? How many Faradays? 0.1 into 6, that is 0.6 Faradays. Yes or no? Now what is asking? 25% current efficiency. So 25% means 0.6 Faradays into 4, that is 2.4 Faradays. Is it clear? 1 Faraday is equal to how much? 2.4 into 96,500 coulombs. If you do the calculation, nearly you may get 2,31,600 coulombs. How much? 2,31,600 coulombs of electrons charge. Sorry, not electrons. Electric charge required to reduce 12.3 grams of nitrobenzene to aniline. Is it clear? So calculate the electricity required to reduce the 12.3 grams of nitrobenzene to aniline, 25% current efficiency. So that's why we are multiplying with 4. Is it clear? So now 0.65. So number of moles of electrons, that is 6 electrons. 6 moles of electrons means 6 Faradays. So 1 mole 6 Faradays. Then 0.1 mole, 0.1 into 6, that is 0.6 Faradays. So finally we will get the 231600 coulombs electric charge required to reduce 12.3 grams of nitrobenzene to aniline. So this is answered, not 2 lakh, that is 2316 coulombs. Is it clear? So this is a charge required to convert 12.3 grams nitrobenzene to aniline with 25% current efficiency. Now see that the electrochemical equivalent of element is 0.00118 gram per coulomb. Calculate the equivalent weight. Calculate the equivalent weight. So now equivalent weight we have to calculate. So electrochemical equivalent Z is equal to chemical equivalent by Faraday, 96,500. So now E is equal to chemical equivalent, that is Z into 96,500 coulombs. So Z value how much he has given? 0.001118 gram per coulomb into 96,500. Then you can calculate the chemical, that equivalent weight E is equal to 107.118. What is that? 107.118. So this is a equivalent. So Z is the electrochemical equivalent is equal to equivalent weight by 96,500. So substitute the values, directly you will get the equivalent weight. Now see that how much electricity is in terms of Faraday is required to produce 40 grams of aluminium from molten Al2O3. Is it clear? See that aluminium plus 3 in the oxidation state here, by gaining the 3 electrons it deposited as aluminium. Yes or no? So now how many electrons are required? 3 electrons, that means 3 Faraday. So 3 Faraday of electrons, the weight of aluminium 27 grams. So but how many you are asking for? For 40 grams, how much electricity in Faraday is asking? So 40 into 3 by 27. Yes, are all of you able to understand this one clearly? For one aluminium atom, by gaining the 3 electrons, it deposits as aluminium, that is 27 grams. For 40 grams, how many Faraday? Is it clear? 3 electrons in the cell, that is 3 Faraday. That is 40 into 3 by 27, that is 4.44 Farads.